You won't believe this! It finally arrived! We're invited to the biggest banana festival of the year! Hey, Rabbit! Hey, Squirrel! Come on out! I have big news!
Guys, look! It's an invitation to the Summer Meadow Party. We all have to go! Rainbow Farm friends!
Okay, first the orange grove, then the sugarcane field.
Got it. Orange grove, sugarcane, and the magical forest edge.
One orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges in the basket now. Keep up the good work.
Keep 'em coming, big guy.
Right away, little friend. The rows are set. And these bundles are ready for market.
That looks heavy. I can haul it to the market for you. Split the profits 50-50.
Deal.
Ooh, what flavor is this bottom red one?
And maybe some mint leaves in the green.
Perfect, that sounds delicious.
Okay, everyone, let's get started.
I brought the colors.
The milk is ready, and the cookies look delicious.
Less sugar for health.
Kid-friendly.
Perfect, let's go with that.
Look, the special ingredient is in the magical forest.
Are you sure it's safe, Monkey?
Sweet, cool, like many fruits at once.
Ten, 11, 12, 13. And that makes 42 total.
The price signs go right here, and the sample cups next to them. Always lead with a smile.
Right. Smile first. Got it.
Stop.
Always check the cart before going far. Look at that! It's amazing!
Wow, I've never seen anything like it.
It's so colorful.
Move aside, please. Coming through. Fresh vegetables here.
Here are some fresh vegetables just for you today.
Oh, thank you. They look delicious.
The judges will be awarding 2 prizes today. Best taste and the kindest team.
This juice is packed with vitamins, Bear. It will make you big and strong, and it tastes amazing too. It's okay. We learn from small mistakes.
Gently help them up, making sure they are steady.
If there's a scrape, clean it first, then use the bandage.
I got it! We use colorful tarps and ropes to string up rainbow canopies all over the market.
Keep pulling, monkey.
I'm trying. It's up. Nicely done, everyone. Well, speak of the weather. Looks like we picked the right spot.
Definitely. These flowers are lovely too.
Thank you, dear friend. Please accept this small gift.
Don't worry, the rain will pass. We have safe shelter right here, and we'll make it through this together.
Here you go. Enjoy the rainbow juice. Oh, thank you so much. It looks amazing.
My word, this is exquisite!
Absolutely stunning.
We won! We actually won!
The Kindest Team Award goes to Rainbow Farm Friends for helping build canopies, distributing free juice, and ensuring safety.
This belongs to all of us. Come on, let's touch it together.
To a wonderful performance, my little stars!
Step right up, tallest tower in the park.
It's almost as tall as me now.
I hope it doesn't fall over.
Yeah, champions!
We learned 3 lessons today. Teamwork, safety, and kindness.
We used teamwork to help the turtle.
And we did... I didn't just make delicious juice. I also helped everyone stay safe and happy.
We should create a healthy food corner next year.
And I'll design the new stall. See you in our next adventure.